Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to another session of Active Learning Video Lecture Communication Series. I am Mr. Paresh Moda, working as an Assistant Professor in A.D. Patel Institute of Technology, New Valla, Vidyanagar. Today I will also continue the same chapter, that is electrical wiring. In the last lecture we have seen about the electrical wiring components, different types of switches, and which are the domestic wiring applications. On today's session we will continue the chapter and we will see which are the types of domestic wiring system that are used in the electrical system. The first system is the cleat system, second one is the capping system, third one is the CTS or TRS system, fourth one is the metal shielded system, and fifth one is the conduct system. In the first system, that is cleat system, as you can see that the cleats are used for the temporary connection of the electrical system. So we can use this system where the marriage or in function where the temporary electrical connection or the temporary electrical wiring is required. In that case this cleat connection is used. The second one is capping wiring system. It is also a part of domestic wiring system. The capping wiring system is, you can see over here, where the wires are capping given with the capping. The third one is the CTS and the metal shielded system. So we will see one by one in detail. The first one is the cleat wiring system. The cleat wiring system uses a insulated cable and sub-protected in the porcelain cleats. In this system, that is cleat wiring system, you can see that the cleats are provided with the wires for the temporary connection. There are two types of cleat wiring system. There is a 2-wire system and there is a 3-cleat wiring system also used. Cleat wiring is recommended only for the temporary installations. The cleats are made in pairs having bottom and top halves. The bottom half is grooved to receive the wire and the top half is for cable grip. Initially the bottom and top cleats are fixed on the wall loosely according to the layout. Then the cable is drawn, tensioned, and cleats are tightened to the screw. Cleats are of 3 types, having 1, 2 or 3 grooves. So as to receive 1, 2 or 3 wires, 2 types of cleats can be used in the system. Cleat wiring is one of the cheapest wiring system, that is considering the initial cost and the labor. It is most suitable for the temporary wiring system. This wiring can be quickly installed, easily inspected and altered also when no requirement of cleat. It is also used in the temporary system where the cleat accessories and cables are used. So this one is the particular image of the cleat wiring, where grooves for the 2 wires are used. With the screw or nail hole the wires of the electrical can be connected. Now what are the advantages of the cleat wiring? There are some advantages, like the first advantage is that it is a cheapest system, because this system does not require the PVC cable or it does not require any extra wires. Second is that little skill is required to lay. That means any layman can do the cleat wiring. The third one is that quick installation. This can be installed like in the fun fair system or in the some function or in marriage ceremony. This type of cleat wiring can be done. The fourth is that it is most suitable for the temporary wiring. The last is that whole material, when the dismantling of the wiring is to be done, then the whole material can be recovered, and whenever any fault is occur in the cleat wiring system, it is easy to do the inspection. Now we will see what are the disadvantages of the cleat wiring. The first disadvantage of the cleat wiring is that it will give a rubbish look. While we are doing the electrical wiring system, we have to see the appearance of the wiring first. because if the appearance of the wiring is not done properly, then it may get damaged. Second one is that it is rarely employed for the permanent jobs. It is not employed for the permanent job, right? Third one is that oil and smoke is injurious to the clit wiring. So this clit wiring cannot be done where the some smoke is there, or any oil refinery. Fourth one is that as there is no protection cover, so mechanical injuries may damage the conductors. So the conductor will not be in a proper way in the clit wiring system. So this clit wiring system is not permitted as per the international standards. Now we will see the second method, that is capping wiring. The capping wiring system is a wiring system that is suitable for the low voltage installation. In this wiring, cables like vulcanized rubber, that is vulcanized Indian rubber, short name is VIR, or the insulated or the PVC cable, that is plastic insulated cables, are used for the carried within the wood casting enclosures. The wood casing wiring shall be not be damp places, and that may be in ventilated places. This is the particular image of the capping wiring, where this one is the capping that is done with the wiring system. So this one is also a part of the electrical wiring system, that is given name as a capping wiring. This one is the theoretical image, where you can see that the vulcanized Indian rubber wires are used with the wiring, and the wooden capping is done here. We will see the advantages of the capping winding. There are some advantages of capping winding over the clit winding. The first one is that it is a better appearance than the clit wiring. That means appearance wise the capping wiring will be okay compared to the clit wiring. The second is that the cost is also quite low, and it is easy to install the capping wiring. The next is that the conductors are strongly insulated in the capping wiring system. The capping will provide the protection against the mechanical injury. That means if we are using the capping wiring in our electrical wiring system, then it is said that there will be protected towards the conductors. Now we will see what are the disadvantages of the capping wiring. The first disadvantage of the capping wiring is that it is not suitable for the damp situation. That means this capping wiring should be used where the dry place or the dry site is there. At that time only the capping wiring can be used. There is a risk of fire because this capping is generally provided with the wooden, or it may be a plastic type material. So that is not a fire exhaust. So there is a risk of fire in the capping wiring. Third one is that to make a job good looking, highly skilled labor required. So what will happen, that the overall electrical wiring cost will be more compared to the other wiring systems. And the last is that it can be used only on the plane surface. Why? Because see, let us again see the capping wiring. See, this one is the capping wiring, where this one is the capping. Can it use in the rough surface? No, it cannot be used. If you want to use a capping wiring system, then what you need to do, your surface, that is if suppose you are using in the wall, or if suppose you are using at some function, then this capping wiring system cannot be used. So this one is the major disadvantage of the capping wiring system, and moreover the cost is also a very much high in the capping wiring system. Now we will see the another method, that is CTS or the TRS wiring. CTS means capped tire synthète, or TRS means the tough rubber synthète. These are the basic conductors that are used in the wiring system. This one is the image where you can see that a TRS wires are used along with the round block. So these are the TRS wires, or you can say that the cables that are used in the wiring system. Wires used in this system are run on the thick wooden buttons which are fixed on the wall or maybe in the ceiling by means of the screws and the wooden plugs. So what will happen? This system is having a long life and it will be having a better reference and less risk from the fire. The other advantages of the system is that it will also give the better reference and it is easy to install the CTS wiring in the domestic applications. Next one is that conductors have the strong insulation, so it has the longer life. It is cheaper except the cleat wiring. It is not so much cheap, but it is cheap compared to the capping wiring system. It is chemical does not affect the conductors. So this one is the major advantage of the CTS wiring. So generally this CTS wiring is used in the chemical industries. Now we will see what are the disadvantages of the CTS wiring. The first is that it can't be used in the mechanical workshop because this CTS wiring is not having a proper sustainability that it can use in the system. It can use in the place open to the sun and rain is restricted, because whenever the sun is having a higher radiation, at that time what will happen, that a heat will generated and that heat cannot be sustained by the CTS wiring, and same way it is not sustainable to the heavy rain. And the next disadvantage is that good workmanship is required to make the sound job in the TRS wiring or in the CTS wiring. Now we will see another method, that is conduct wiring. In general, a conduct, what do you mean by the conduct? So conduct, we can say that it is defined as a tube or a channel. Tabular conduct is the most commonly used material in the electrical installation. When the cable are drawn through the conduct and terminated at the outlet or the switch points, the system of wiring is called the conduct wiring. So this conduct wiring, we can say that the wiring system where the tabular conduct is used along with the cable and it will be terminated outlet at the switch points. So this one is the particular conduct wiring module, where you can see that we can use this conduct wiring as a junction also. This one is also another image of the conduct wiring. The various types of conduct wiring like rigid non-metallic conduct, rigid steel conduct, flexible steel conduct, flexible non-metallic conducts are also used in the electrical wiring system. This wiring system is the most suitable wiring system in the domestic applications. The advantages of the conduct wiring system is that the conduct will provide protection against the mechanical injury and the chemicals. The conductors are secure from the moisture, as we are using the conduct in between the conductors. So what will happen, that it will not get the moisture from the atmosphere. So this one is the major advantages of the conduct wiring. Next one is that it will give the better look compared to the other wiring system. It is having a longer life, like it can if we have done the conduct wiring, then it will last for 20 to 30 years, and it is also a waterproof because the material that is used in the conduct wiring is a PVC type material. So this material is generally a waterproof material. And if we want to do any change in the domestic wiring system, then it is easy to do the replacement, and it is also a shock proof system of the wiring system. Now we will see what are the disadvantages of the conduct wiring system. So every wiring system is having a advantage and disadvantage. So same way this conduct wiring system is also having some disadvantage. The first disadvantage is that cost wise it is very costly, so it cannot be used in the all the domestic applications. The next is that it will require more time for the erection. It will require higher skilled labor. That means ultimately the cost will be increased if we are applying the conduct wiring in the system. The internal condensation of the moisture may cause the damage to the insulation. That means suppose we are using the conduct wiring in our domestic application, and suppose the moisture is there inside the wall. So what will happen? Even though there is no moisture in the atmosphere, but due to the internal condensation of the moisture, it may cause damage to the insulation. So if the insulation is got damaged, so ultimately the wiring system will get damaged. But the application of the conduct wiring, we can say that it can place where the dust and puff is present, such as textile mills, sawmills. In that case, this conduct wiring is the most suitable wiring for doing the electrical connections. The next application is that in a workshop for the lighting or the motor wiring system, where constant supply is to be needed at that time, at that place, this conduct wiring is used. Next is that conduct wiring can be done where the fire hazards occurs frequently, and it can also be done where the important documents are to be kept, like in some education institute, like banking system, where the documents are the most important property. So in that place the conduct wiring is most suitable. Now now we will see some control circuits that are used in the domestic wiring system. See, suppose we have done the electrical wiring system, but if we want to control the wiring system, for example, if we want to control the lamp, so how can we control the lamp? We can obviously control the lamp with the switch. If we want to control our refrigerator, then what we can do? We can use some extra switch, and we can also use the stabilizer.